Hello! Once again, we come here. Nandoon, nag-ride sila. Oh, ayan no. That's what I'm talking about it. We are come here already twice. Oh. So, I make video. This one. Ayan yung ano dati. Si Ugogan. Ayan yung Joyland. Ayan. Dito yung last time, this one is on the water. It's falling down. Oh, you see? Once again, I'm telling to you all, the bagla that is the kadamo of the friend of Madam. Oh, ayan yan doon, no? Ayan. So nice. Ayan yung Joyland, yung cake ng Joyland. Okay. The city walk. Oh, ito na yung inside. That is already the inside here. It's okay. Passing by only. Thank you again for watching. Thank you to the all subscriber of mine. Thank you for watching again. Once again, thank you so much. Wow, to all Baghdad people in this earth, you can come here to visit. Especially if you bring your children or friends or cousins or relatives to enjoy the games, to stay. Let's make happy. Everybody is make happy, especially to the children. Okay? So once again, thank you so much. And I wish that you will subscribe to my channel also. There is pa in the another side pa yan. I'm just making hair. Okay? It's nice. It's not too much people pa. Because some of them that they are just finished the putor. Hello. Ayun na sila, madam. Ayun, nag-ride sila. Ayun, no. Ayun na, ewan ko asa na yung iba. Oh, ayan yung stars. Okay? Nag-i-enjoy sila. Nag-ride, turning around. Okay? It's very silent. Oh, why you are sad? Sis, enjoy, make it with you. You don't want? Just feel this night because we are not always come here to play. There is pa inside is too much pa, and it's not too much noise pa because the Ramadan is they just finished the Ramadan. Okay, yan sila ni Madam. Ayan, nag-ride. I think they are finished already. We are here only, Madam. Sit down. Oh, you see? Oh, ayan na yun, no? Oh, amon niya. Oh, doon nag-ride. And doon din yung sa akin. Nag-ikot-ikot pa, ikot-ikot. Okay, so once again, thank you. And bye. Mag-5 pa. I-ano ko siya ng 5. Para ano. Hindi ko alam kung ano tong isa. Nandoon yung favorite na ano ni Celine before. Wala siya, parang ano lang siya, parang stage. Pero maganda rin yung yun. Ayan yung city walk. Okay, ayan. At least ayan yung Madam at saka si Sisi. Okay. So say bye. Thank you again for watching.